Hello sir and hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about concept of relative velocity. It is simply a velocity where we consider any particular link and different points on the link where we have to find the velocity. The definition of relative velocity is a velocity of any particular point with respect to another point. Or we can say relative velocity is the velocity of one point relative to the another point. We will see an example. Here we are considering two bodies, which is body A and body B, having two different velocities. The velocity of body A is v1 and the velocity of body B is v2. Both are moving with different velocities, and magnitude of v1 is greater than magnitude of v2. So the body A will move faster than the body B. So A is moving. So body A is moving with respect to body B or relative to the body B. So we can define the relation between these two bodies, and this relation is defined or called as relative velocity. And all these things depends on 2 points, where one point should have magnitude and direction of the velocity and second one should have direction. So we can define the magnitude of the second point or the velocity of the second point with the help of direction and magnitude of first point. Okay, now we will have another example. Here, one car is moving with the speed of 10 meters per second, and there is one person standing there, and that person is observing the car. So he will see the car is moving. So to find the velocity, we have one formula. It is velocity of A with respect to B. Sorry, velocity of A with respect to B. It is VAB. The formula is VA minus VB. So our VA is 10. The person is standing, so he is steady na. So his velocity will be 0. So the relative velocity between these two will 10 meters per second. Okay, now we will see one point which is motion of a link. Okay, so we are considering, so here we are considering 2 points on a link, 2 points A and B on a link, and these 2 points are moving relative to each other. Point B is moving about point A. Point point B is moving about point A. So we can define here point B is moving about point A. So we can define velocity of point B with respect to point A in terms of VBA. And the motion of can be linear or rotational motion. In this link, we are having 2 points A and B. And the distance between these 2 points will be constant because these 2 points are part of a frame. So in vector diagram, we will consider point B is moving with respect to point A. Relative velocity of point B with respect to A is represented by AB, which is VBA equals to AB1. Omega means angular velocity. So, in vector diagram, velocity of any point on a link with respect to another point on the same link is always perpendicular to the line joining these points in space diagram. Thank you.